Welcome to another Partner Portal instructional video. These videos are designed to help you better understand some basics of the Partner Portal system. Ready to get started? In order for partners to sign up with your organization on their own, they will need to fill out a sign-up form. This is where partner registration comes in. A partner registration form allows a person to apply to become a partner of your organization. To use the Standard Partner Signup Form, start by logging into the Partner Portal account using your admin credentials. From the main menu, go to Home, then select Application and choose Forms. Locate the dropdown and select Partner Registration. This will give you a list of partner registration forms. Locate the partner registration form that best suits your needs that's also marked as published. Next, copy the external link URL associated with that form. There are two things you can do with this external link URL. The first is you can place the link on your website so anyone can click on the link and be brought to the partner registration form. The other option is to share this external link with the partner directly. They will use this link to complete their registration. The partner fills out the form and clicks Submit. Once submitted, the request will enter the system for review. To approve the new partner user, go to Users, then select Partner. You will be taken to the Partner Users page. Click on the Pending button and you will be taken to signups that have not been approved yet. Locate the newly submitted partner on the list. You can review their information and change their status from pending to an appropriate status. If you decide to approve the submission, the partner user will receive an email to inform them they have been approved and gain access to the portal based on the assigned role and permissions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully used the Standard Partner Signup Form to onboard a new partner.